All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 38,000 miles, white with gray vinyl interior, backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper, let's have some sort of dent here. Boom. Another little dinghy there. And it's got another dent over here, about 3 to 4 inches. Your hood looks good. Does have a dent right here. I say about 4 to 5 inches right there. Right there. All right. Your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's up the rim, steel wheel. Your tire thread, it's at under it's at 6/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. Does seem to have a dent here, a crease from here to here. It's obviously coming from trees and stuff like that. All right, got another couple of dents up here. It's got a heavy scratch. I'm following. You can see the difference in color from the touch-up. All right. On that, we look pretty good. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread, under 4/32. Coming around, does seem to have a dent here. Boom. And then another little dent here. Boom. That's a continuation of the dent. All right. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Obviously, you're going to need a striker that door sounds. I think it's called the check. The door check. Alright. Got your AM FM stereo system right here. You get your AC controls right down below, obviously working. Got your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Except for tire pressure and your mileage of 38,886. Keeping it moving. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. A little cracking here. Yeah, you got a little cracking here in the rear bumper piece there. All right, let's see. These doors obviously swing out all the way. Boom. This is what one of your doors looks like from this side. Boom. Pretty decent. It seems to have a little dent right here. It's obviously from somebody throwing stuff in there. And of course, cargo area looks good. It's got the lights looking very nice. Your wheel wells look good. They're a little scratched up, but they look good. Let's check out your roof real quick. Your roof. The roof looks good. I don't see any dents or anything up here. Looks good. Looks good. All right, looks good. On this side, that's what one of your doors looks like. Panelings look good. Normally those panels are effed up. All right, very nice. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel, and your tire thread is at 8/32. This door does have a dent from here to here, 3, 6, 9, about 9 inches. A couple of dents on this door. Boom, boom, boom. So you can see the reflection there. So what your side cargo area looks like. Boom. It's beautiful. And again, those LEDs really brighten up this interior. Looks effing awesome. Definitely can find your tools in here. Got a little chippy there, another one there. The rest of the door looks great. Here's the other side of the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is at 8/32, or actually 9/32. Lights are working, car is on. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 38,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.